Hey hi, this is Lucky. Welcome to Behind the Bark. You know what? In this world, we have so many kennel clubs in which I follow FCI, AKC, KCI. FCI and AKC recognized more than 450 dog breeds involved. They are FN Pinscher, Afghan Hound, Airedale Terrier, Akita, Alaskan Malamute, American Cocker Spaniel, American Foxhound, American English Coonhound, American Staffordshire Terrier, American Water Spaniel, Anatolian Shepherd Dog, Australian Kettle Dog, Australian Shepherd, Australian Terrier, Australian Silky Terrier, Azawak, Australian Kelpie, American Eskimo Dog, American Hairless Terrier, Appenzeller Shanghand, American Pitbull Terrier, American Bully, American Leopard Hound, American Bulldog, and so on. Which is your favorite breed in these? Follow for more info. Thank you.